Good afternoon. My name is Oluwafumilayo Nancy Iwuno, and I'm about to tell you what I did in my working through this video. I'm going to walk you through the Java program I created for number guessing game. This program challenges and the users to guess a randomly generated number between 1 and 10,000. I will explain the key variables, how the logic works, and show you the program in action. Okay? All right, let me explain better. Code explanation and variable choices. Let's look at the variables I used. Rand, new random. I used the random class to generate a random number between 1 and 10,000. In target, like rand next. This ensures the number is inclusive of 1 and 10,000. In lower bound, 1, as in upper bound, equal to 10,000. This keeps the track of the dynamic range the user should guess within, okay, which changes based on the guess. All right, and also the guessing aspect, this all the user's inputs, okay, and the scanner, new scanner, this reads the user's guess from the console. All right, each time the user guesses, the program updates the range based on whether the guess is too high or too low. All right, that is for that. I move further. The program logic. All right, this main loop is a while loop that keeps running until the user guesses the correct number. If the guess is higher than the target, we print. Your guess is too high and updates the upper bound. All right. If the guess is lower, we print. Your guess is too low and update the lower bounds. That is really, really logistic. If it matches, we print winner and end the loop. Okay. The prompt always reflects the current valid range. This helps guide the player and add interactive touch. All right, I move further. The demonstration. Now I run the program and show an example of how it works. Okay, that means narrate each input and explain the output, how the bond change. You know, they run the program and they type a few example inputs. All this, how it's run into each other and how the bonds was changes. And the last one for that is one challenge I faced, the challenges and the learning. One challenge I faced was making sure that the update range values were displayed correctly after each guess. I learned how useful it is to keep track of state using the simple variables like lower bound and upper bound. I also get more comfortable using the random and scanner classes in Java. Powerful. All right, I'll be closing by saying thank you for watching, and thank you for watching for me explaining my Java system and my project walkthrough. I hope you enjoy the learning about the guessing game. It's really, really a game. All right, I love you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.